Hey, today we are talking about the Norwex Leather Shine. So this stuff can be used on so many different things. I love the Norwex Leather Shine because you can use it on leather wallets, leather clothing, boots, in your car, on leather seats, anything that's leather. It can also be used on wood to help polish and shine up wood. So it's really simple to use and it doesn't have any of the bad chemical products that you would find in most leather shine types of products that you might use. So here it is, and it comes with a little applicator sponge, and I'm going to show you how I use this on a pair of boots to polish and shine them up. So the first thing I did with the boots is just wipe them off just so that they were clean. And I'm going to show you these. So here are the boots, and you can see here where it could really use a little bit of leather shine. So all I do is just dip it in the leather shine so that it gets them on the applicator, and then I just put it on anywhere that I want to kind of shine up the leather and renew the leather. This helps add suppleness to the leather, helps keep it from getting crackly, just adds a little bit of moisture to it, but also protects it from moisture. There's no petroleum in this or any other harsh or harmful chemicals, which is better for you, the environment, and whatever you're putting it on as well. So you just apply it and it'll soak in on its own, and that's it. So it's really simple, really easy to do. So we'll say this boot, and we can compare it to the boot that's not done yet, and you guys can see the amazing difference there. If you have any questions on the leather shine, you can contact me or go to createahealthyhome.biz. All right, bye.